Popping guys, today I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube, but my mom is gonna scramble all of it up. So, wait, thanks mom. So, it's the GameCube, so remember to buy some GameCube. The GameCube is good, yeah. So, we're gonna start. Right. Wait. Okay. I think I got it. Oh, well, that's weird. But it's simple because, it's the GameCube. It's fresh. You can move it quick. And, it's good for moving. So, when you want to, buy perfect good GameCube, just go to game.com and buy it. So, I guess this is the end of the video for this week. See ya!